In the quiet embrace of dawn, a new mindset awakens. Soft golden rays filter through glass, illuminating the dust as it dances like tiny stars. With a gentle stretch and a deep breath, possibilities unfurl, infused with the freshness of a new day. Outside, majestic mountains stand watch and trees sway in a soft breeze, inviting the spirit to partake in life's boundless opportunities. This serene awakening lays the foundation for change, as each moment holds the promise of transformation. As the inner world of thoughts takes center stage, the landscape shifts into a profound haven of introspection. A solitary figure sits quietly, absorbed in journaling by the window. Words float amidst the air, symbols of both conflict and clarity weaving in and out of focus. The room around begins to bloom with warmth, mirroring the journey from darkness to brightness. With each stroke of the pen, the softening of expression unveils the birth of hope, while a gentle glow begins to illuminate an ever-expanding consciousness. Yet challenges arise amidst the pursuit of positivity. Crumpled papers litter the ground, reminiscent of frustrations faced along the creative path. The skies darken, akin to the moments of struggle we all endure. But within this storm, the spirit refuses to break. A determined sigh gives way to resilience. Standing tall once more, the light grows stronger around them. The rain stops, revealing a path forward where clouds part, and golden rays of encouragement greet them with renewed confidence and unwavering clarity. As energy shifts, scenes of connection and joy blossom like vibrant flowers after a storm. Laughter resonates in the air, echoing the beauty of collaboration and love. As vibrant colors burst forth, shimmers of the ocean reflect the promise of camaraderie and purpose. Here, the very essence of positivity ignites life, each moment brimming with warmth, a golden glow enveloping all in its radiant embrace. Finally, the pace of life slows, allowing moments of deep reflection to pour in. Meditating by a tranquil lake, walking towards a glowing sunset, or standing atop a hill, the spirit is embraced by the whispers of nature. Each gentle breath invites peace, as the warm light envelopes the soul. The whispered mantra, "When your mind changes, your world changes," echoes through the calming air, signaling a return to light and a commitment to embracing the power of positive thinking.